Let's now look at divide no nan, and what this does is it returns a 0 if the denominator in the division is a 0. Let's look at an example. If we create a tensor x tf dot constant, and this has values 1, so we put a float values 1, 2, and 3. Then we have another tensor y, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So the tensor y has a 0 in the very first index, and then the other values are, let's say, 4 and 3. Now if you perform the division, we usually would do it this way: tf.math.divide x comma y, and then we can print the value for z like so. And what this gives us is a value of infinity in the very first position because we are dividing 1 by 0. With division, with divide no nan, what we can do is uh, we can still use the 0, but then in the output we'll get a 0 instead of nan. So let's try and run this line. So the command is tf.math.divide underscore no underscore nan, and now when we run this, we get a 0 instead of the infinity sign. Likewise, we can check the similar division just by numbers. tf.math.divide underscore no underscore nan. If we divide 3 by a 0, and then if we try to print, or if you try to look at the output, we see, oh, there's a double comma there. We see that we have 0 instead of infinity. We run the same line of code without the divide no nan, then we get the value of infinity. That was it for this video. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.